Hello, this is Professor Azim Sutar from DY Patil College of Engineering and Technology, Kasba Bauda, Kolhapur. Today, we are going to deal with a topic related to National Ambient Air Quality Standards 2009. Now, let's move towards the first point, that is air monitoring. As we have seen that the air pollution has the capacity to affect the living and non-living things like vegetation, animals, human beings and the materials like leather, garments, the alloys of nickel and brass, etc. It is necessary to collect the data regarding the level of air pollution in a given settlement. This data is confined to the following information: a rate at which the air pollution is increasing or decreasing. The air pollution control devices are used to reduce the level of air pollution and its sources. In the air pollution prone areas, the physical and chemical monitoring is carried. The samples are collected and analyzed to find out the quantitative information about the type and proportion of pollutants in the air sample to measure the intensity of air pollution. The information regarding the correlation between physiochemical and biological pollutants, it is necessary to evaluate the impact of pollutants on the living and non-living things. Air quality measurement is carried in two situations as mentioned below. Ambient air quality measurement. In this system, the air sample are collected by using the following methods. Sample collectors are used. Flow meter is used to measure the rate of air flow. To collect the air pumps are used. To separate the gaseous pollutants from the air, the following methods are used. Number 1, grab sampling. Number 2, absorption in liquids. Number 3, absorption on a solid surface, or it is also called as adsorption. Fourth number is freezing. To separate solid pollutants from following methods are used. Sedimentation in the dust jar by using high volume sampler, high volume filtration is carried, tape sample, electronic precipitation and thermal precipitation. Now let's move towards the next point, that is National Ambient Air Quality Standards. The National Ambient Air Quality Standards were set on the basis of Air Pollution Act 1981. Their standards are revised in the year 2009. The categories of industrial, residential and sensitive zone in the original draft have been clubbed together to form two categories. Category number 1, industrial, residential, rural and other areas. Category 2, the ecologically sensitive area. Before this revision of 2009, four parameters such as SPM, SO2, CO and NOx were prescribed. After 2009 revision, more parameters have been added, which are: the size of the particulate matter must be less than 2.5 micrometer, ammonia, benzene, arsenic, nickel, etc. The table below shows the National Ambient Air Quality Standards based on Category 1 and Category 2. The type of pollutants studied are sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, particulate matter of size less than 10 micrometer, that is called as PM10, particulate matter size less than 2.5 micrometer, that is PM2.5, and ozone. The air quality standards are measured based on the time weighted average, based on the 24 hours time period and annual time period. The first row shows the annual rate and the second row shows the 24 hours, that is daily rate. In the third column, that is industrial, residential, rural and other areas, depicts the values to be followed, and in the last column, the ecologically sensitive areas depict the standards to be followed based on the pollutants. The pollutants are measured in the unit micrograms per meter cube. So, taking into consideration all the concentrations in ambient air the air quality standards have to be maintained and the check has to be recorded. Thank you.